All right, let's get it tied off now.
We got a bunch of ties over here.
You tie like the end, or tie in the middle.
Tie in the middle. Just do every other one.
Okay. That one, the last one? No, the other one, the other one. Bro.
In. Come in one.
In more, in more.
Come towards Isaiah with one.
Other way,
No.
other way.
The rebound.
Thank you. All right. Isaiah, you want right there? This is supposed to be even, right?
This does not have to be perfect.
Okay. It has to be good enough so you can tie off.
You're right. You got to tie it off. That's the thing.
My OCD's telling me, bro, can you I can slide down a little bit.
Chairman, I feel you, but I don't think we're going to get it perfect.
Like right there, we're not going to get perfect.
It's not perfect, but it's going to be close enough for government work. There we go. All right. What's that?
Guys, green fork has left the watch on.
This should be good. A little more.
We're going to get one.
All right, somebody, all right, a little more. Let Isaiah show you how it's going to get tied off.
Yo, Isaiah. Where do you want to start tying it up?
Do this one. How much sections do y'all got?
Well, somebody standing around, get my garden hose hooked up and get ready to pour water.
Got it.
Come on.
This one? A little more.
I want this board done by noontime. It can be done.
All right, everybody start grabbing some ties. Start with the corners. I want all the corner edges on first.
What up, Drew?
Go here. Hey, y'all need pliers? Go. Go. Yeah, you need a plier over there?
Yeah.
Come on.
Is there a certain way to tie these?
Yeah. Were you watching? Or were you down there?
He was down there.
Down there. Remember when Alex was done?
Watch him, watch Jacob. Yeah, and Jacob.
Hold up and twist. I want those 9 tests finished in the core curriculum.
You got to start. There you go. Now use the pliers. When you grab it, pull up, but you want to push down on the metal too, so the metal's not coming up, and then just turn. So, do it.
That's why Cody knows.
All right, good shit, guys. Good.
Yeah. See, we learned.
Yeah. Yo, go. You have it under, yeah? Oh, you don't have pliers. For the guys that don't have pliers, start getting in there and just set the wire up for them. Drew, you want to do that for me? All these corners, here.
Drew.
Put a wire right there.
Drew. Here.
No, I'm gonna do everyone.
Oh, everyone?
Sock, I think I need pliers.
You should have pliers.
Good job, guys.
3.5 cords. So that's 3.5
Don't be afraid to get down dirty.
Yeah.
I don't think that one was good right there.
Huh?
I don't think that one was good.
Which one?
That one.
This one?
You're doing wonderful, gentlemen. Wonderful. Teach me how to do it, Isaiah. Teach me how to do it.
He already did.
Oh, I see what they're doing. Okay.
3.5 cords. So that's
I'll do that.
2.5 gallon bucket.
Put them in the
Plenty of people trying
See how like twisting mine is?
Put them through the.
This is a 5-gallon bucket. All right, so let's figure out how high it's going to be for 3.5 cords.
So that's ties. Drew.
Now remember, the directions on there are different than the directions on the concrete.
grab it right after
Okay?
push, pull up, and then
I was here when it
no,
was tying
let
last.
go of this, let go of the pie. Let go of the pie. Let go of the pie.
Thank you. Pliers.
Doing a good job, guys.
Bottom, make sure you have this up. Because if not, it's not that tight.
Trying to help.
You see it? You see it?
You're telling me how dumb I am.
So that's why you want to pull up. Whatever you do, you pull up and push up.
We need to cut more of these.
You want everything to be combined together.
Don't.
Very awesome. Drew, do you need more? Yeah. You do?
I have
some over here. Like, yeah, oh, you have them? Yeah, like 15 more. 15, yeah, 15, 20
Right
more.
there. Like this?
Guys, I'm kind of just going to toss this around. So you guys just fall up, replace with it.
I don't have pliers.
I got one. Just set them up.
I want to give you quiet.
2.5 gallons.
We gotta cut more.
So it should be like right.
Guys, and make sure you guys look over all of them because not everybody's using pliers.
Like mine over here need to go.
Those who have pliers, some people don't.